Roman script no to ye fasalo Rajakhora Agulini Circuit House Amsayo Khadumani Funugnani Tangai Police ni Yago Choprobmungno Sago Dokumanka Oshid Mol Shamungai Khoroksa TSF Adong Chashalo Agortola Press Club Kaisha Kokthum Panda Khalayai Patimungno Sejamani Koksaka TSF Roman script no to ye Hasteni Montri Okra Dr. Manik Shahani Kokphirongmungno Sejawai Fasalo Rajakhora Agulini Circuit House Amsayo Khadumani Funukmani TSF Town Committee Fiaba kesang ke protest khlainai Rwngswrwngnairokno daga chopa khlaimani loge bupre shopre khlaika police adong rok abo bai sago dukumanka oshitmol somno khobai kisasuk TSF Rwngswrwngnairokni Sakao police ni abo hai Choprobmungno Belai Sejamani kok Sakha TSF town committee Chashalo Agortola press club kaisa kokthum panda khlaiai Patimungno Sejamani kok Sakha TSF ni ojamarok
As you all know, the Tripura Students Federation since long back we have been demanding Rwngswrwng for pogrom. It's been more than 40 years. This demand has been already placed. It's been more than 40 years. And we know that even after the script selection committee and Tripura Proposal Basa Commission, which was set up by the government itself, they have not solved the issues. We know that from the RTI report, if we see the students, maximum number, 99% of the students are in favor of Rwngswrwng. But till now, the government has not solved the issues. And I want to pass the message to the government of Tripura from this press briefing that to choose our script is our right. And this is in our inherent right. Language is our right. It is from the birth itself that what language we speak and what script to choose for us it is our inherent right. And we see yesterday, we have been protesting since long time back, and we know we have been protesting in Sipai Jola also. We have sent the memorandum to the Honorable Chief Minister through the DM of Sipai Jola district, and yesterday the Town and College Committee also led the protest here in Nagatala Circuit House. And what we have seen, we have seen that the police personnel, actually they are to protect the citizens of the people. And we are peaceful protesters, we are not with guns, we are nothing with any weapons. But you see, what is the behavior of the police personnel? We are peaceful, we love peace. We are demanding our rights, and it is a freedom to demand what script, what we want, it is our rights. But we see, the police personnel, instead of protecting us, they have beaten us, they have tortured us, and one of our leaders, Asit Malsam, has been hospitalized. And we want to send a message, this movement will continue. It will not stop, it will not end here. Until and unless our demand is fulfilled, we will continue our movement, and there will be a greater movement than this. We know language is our identity. So to choose our script is our right. So no government or no any other person is liable to impose us any script on what we want. This is a clear message to the government, as it is our right. And we also want to pass the message through this press briefing to the ministers of our tribal welfare and also ministers of IPFT, that is Suklasra and Motha. You know, they also have been demanding Rwngswrwng since long time back. The IPFT also demanded, but they're silent. Why? We want to pass this message, let them also demand. Why are they silent?
Kokthum Pandao Manjakha, TSF ni Vice President John Deburma, Chief Organizing Secretary Bibas Deburma, TSF Town Committee ni In Charge Runit Deburma, College Committee Secretary Shalka Deburma, the Town Committee ni Secretary Satyajit Deburma Akosong. Rajakhora Agulini Shimikri Shanoni Kokthum, Chini Khorang.